Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Oh god, I miss you guys. It's been a long time now I've been doing this vlog, but it's only been like 10 days or so. Yeah, I miss you lot. I miss being on YouTube, and here I am, guys. Today we are going to do something a bit different. Sorry guys, there was a muck on the screen, but it's gone anyway. Yeah, like I said on my last video that I posted almost a week ago, I said I'm going to be doing a tour. That is going to happen, but I'm hoping it's very soon. As you all know, like I wrote on Twitter, I ran through a bit of a problems in that. But it's still being dealt with, but it's getting there, and hopefully when that's done, then we can start doing good things in that. So today we're going to take my cat Luna out for a tour outside. Yes, my cat's going on a tour today, which is just outside. Yeah, the reason why we're doing it now is because now she's a grown-up. We had to wait until she gets big enough to start going out, because she is there are lots of dogs out there, and kittens are the main targets. Almost every day the people who own kittens, the kittens disappear, and there are lots of dogs around, so I'm only guessing that something bad happened to them. So I waited for my cat to grow up, so yeah, I'm sure you'll understand what I mean anyway. So yeah, so guys, we're going to take my cat for a walk, and I'll see you guys then. Guys, we're now outside. Luna's just with me right now. She's exploring. As I just walked outside with Luna, she got freaked out a bit, but you know, I have to, you know, bring her out so she can explore outside, and she has to get used to it at some point. So hope no one got concerned, because she yelled really loud. She just screamed her head off, bless her. She got frightened, but now she's beginning to explore now. So yeah, guys, I'm now having a bit of a problem now with my cat. Just now, so many other cats just suddenly turned up. As you all know, this is Turkey. You get a lot of stray cats here. This is one of them. My cat Luna, who's over there. She's absolutely frightened now. I don't know how do I get her out and bring her back upstairs. She's just absolutely terrified now. Things were going okay until all these cats showed up. Want to say hello? No. Yeah, so I don't know what to do, guys. These two are the cats. This one has a collar on. I think it's my neighbour's. Hey, come on. But look, you two, you're scaring my cat, okay? I understand you two want some attention, but look, my other cat there is just frightened. You two need to go. Guys, All the other cats are gone. Oh no, she's coming. Hey, get you, get you, get you, get you. Come on, Luna. Let's go inside. Go, go. Guys, just got back home now. Yeah, got into a lot of trouble outside. As you saw earlier, Luna was scared. So many fucking other cats kept coming up, and even children, they didn't give a shit. They just so loud and scaring my cat deliberately. And yeah, she was doing absolutely okay. She was just trying to get there, and suddenly children came, and she got really frightened because they were really loud. I'm literally really angry right now. It's just bloody ignorance. These children are old enough to understand, because they're well over 10 years old. They should have a brain a bit, but they don't. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm really frustrated. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys what happened now outside, calmly. So as I was walking downstairs, as I gone outside, she got a bit freaked out a bit, and about 2 minutes later, she started to, you know, get better and started exploring. And then suddenly 2 cats came up, but she didn't like them at all. These 2 cats that you just saw earlier in the video, well, one of them is a stray, the other one belongs to my neighbour. They just kept approaching her, scaring her, making her absolutely terrified. And then children came along. But I'm talking about human children. They came up screaming, shouting, like a 5-year-olds, but they're actually about 12. Yeah, deliberately screaming, banging the doors, just to scare my cat. It's just ignorance. Their parents are full of shit. I've seen them before. They just live downstairs on the bottom of my block where I live. And then after that, after all the cats have gone, yeah, after the children went as well, I shooed all the cats away. And then I tried to call Luna out from under the balcony. This is where she was hiding, as you probably saw earlier in the video. Managed to call her out, and then when people passed by, walking past, she just kept going back in again. So that took me a long time to bring her out. So I got her out finally. I opened the front door downstairs. I managed to make her go in, and then she went a floor below the ground, and then she walked past the gate where it's restricted to public members, but luckily she come out just a minute later. I thought this was it. I was going to be in big trouble. So I got her. So as soon as she came up, I picked her up and I carried her upstairs. She didn't freak out at all as I was holding her. And then we came back in afterwards. And when she came in, she just started hiding in places. She was absolutely freaked out. My sister was angry. She doesn't even like her going outside anyway because, you know, she's just a selfish girl. So yeah, that's it. She's in the house now, safe. She's still a bit frightened. Guys, I don't know what we're going to do later this afternoon. If nothing happens, then I'm going to go straight to outro in a bit. Maybe we might go to town later, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's day today for me. It's nearly 4 o'clock now. It's 4:10 now. So guys, I do really apologise for being such a miserable. I'm still frustrated now. I have a lot of anxiety as well. And also, I'm not even allowed to have cats in my house because the landlord is scared of cats. This is the thing with Turkey. So many people here are very afraid of cats. Nearly everyone I know here in Turkey, they just don't like cats at all. They just run away from cats. What could be weird than that? So yeah, that's a story for today. So see what happens later on today. How you doing? How you doing, kitty cat? You feeling better now? I'm so sorry for what happened today. If I could stop these cats, I would, but I couldn't. They just don't go away. Do you want to play now? Her face full. My hands stink. I think she's cross with me for what happened today. I just wanted you to explore somewhere different with her. That's all I wanted you to do. Because this is what cats do, go out, explore, do what they want to do. So guys, as you can see now, she's definitely improved. I'm gonna leave her to rest now. So yeah, see you guys soon. Alright guys, I've calmed down now. Yeah, my anxiety is starting to wear off now after half an hour. I'm now going to have my dinner. I'm going to have some noodles. Right there. What was I going to say, guys? Guys, I keep forgetting what I'm going to say. That really annoys me as well. Forgets. Yeah. So, guys, right now, doing myself a noodles. The reason why I'm cooking 2 packs because inside there's only a very, very small bunch of noodles, very, very small. And if you cook 2, it makes just a medium portion of noodles. The flavours they're actually special flavour, because they're right there. Can you see it? Yes. So I'm going to cook now, going to eat, see what happens later. My cat is just outside resting. She's absolutely fine now. Yeah, the reason why she's like that is because she's not used to being outside. Plus there are stray cats, and my neighbour's cats have turned up who she don't like. So yeah, it was a bit of a cat disaster today, but things have got better now at last. So yeah, see what happens today then. See you guys soon. So guys, as I had a trouble day with the cat, now with the noodle, because now I put 2 bunches in there, only half of the top one is in water boiling. What a day I'm having. Brilliant. We try and get them there. There we go. Gotta try and keep it like this so the top can get soggy as well. We set the timer to 3 minutes. Oh, for God's sake, why does he keep doing this? Right. There we go. Here's the boil for 3 minutes first, and then we put the flavourings, powders and the oil, and make the noodle taste great. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Wow, look at that. Nice noodle in a 1940s bowl, all ready to be eaten. So guys, I just finished making my noodles. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Yeah, guys, I keep forgetting what I'm gonna say. It irritates me, guys. I do. Well, I think it's a bit late for apology anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna eat now, and we'll see what happens later. Guys, I just finished my noodles. I am so full now. This noodle I had is so filling. I can't even move now. So guys, very soon I'm going to do an outro video, and I don't know when I'm going to upload this video. Hopefully tonight, if not tomorrow. So, but by the time you see this video, it'll be uploaded. So, excuse me guys, sorry. I have to be really quiet now because my grandma's gone to sleep. She's staying at my house for a few days. And she's sleeping now, so I have to be quiet. So sorry if you can't hear me, but I'm going to adjust the volume as I begin to edit this video, so hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying. So yeah, so my mum just walked into the kitchen now. I'll see you guys in the outro. Guys, I'm now having my pudding, the kids' yogurts. The reason why I still eat the kids' yogurts because I can't stand I still can't stand the bits that's in the adult yogurts. So guys, we'll go to the outro very soon. We're going to be doing a lot of talking a bit later about what's going to happen in the future, about the tour and that, going exploring in different places. Yeah, so I'll see you guys then. Well, that's going to be it today, guys. Thanks for watching. Had a bit of a rough day today. It's been scary pretty much because my cat Luna was meowing. She was scared, she was angry, she was frustrated, she was everything in a negative way. I was so scared as well. I thought something bad is going to happen to her or the other cats around. You know what I mean? It was just terrifying. So yeah, and sorry that this video isn't good today. Because I've been on YouTube for a while, and like I said in the last video, I'm not going to be on YouTube for that often. Until things are sorted out, and yeah, so guys, thanks for watching, and sorry that I was aggressive and sad. I always try not to be, guys, but when it gets too much, then I can't promise you that I can't be angry, because deep down it's hard to hold it, you know what I mean? So I am sorry, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. If you want to receive a notification from me, all you have to do is hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and that's all you need to do. Nothing else. Just click the subscribe button and hit the like video and click the bell. That's all you need to do. Yeah, it's that easy. It's that easy. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon, and take care and have a great evening.